Neelachala Polytechnic is committed to provide quality technical education and to prepare the students with knowledge, skill, competency, moral and ethical values with a holistic concern for better life, environment and society.
Neelachala Polytechnic, nesting near the foothills of Shikhar Chandi Temple, offers an excellent infrastructure and the best learning ambience in the temple city. The disciplined and pleasant environment of the campus motivates young aspirants to develop their innovative ideas. The institute possesses aesthetically designed infrastructure apart from the basic requirement which facilitate a must experience for students. The campus is technically focused and is following a structured system academic management. The competitive and resourceful environment promotes the students to perform to best of their abilities along with intense academic programs. Neelachala provides ample opportunities to the students in diverse spheres, the co-curricular and extracurricular activities such as sports, music, dance, drama, debate, quiz and many other events. The academic complex is equipped with well-ventilated spacious classrooms, drawing halls, networked computer lab, English language lab, laboratories and workshop. Quality academic and high standard of discipline are unique asset of this institution. The institution has well-stacked library, conference hall, canteen, cafeteria, etc. The institute was established in the year 1997 under the aegis of Navaprabhat Trust. The institute is approved by the AICTE under Ministry of HRD, Government of India and affiliated to SCTE and VT, Government of Odisha. The institute possesses a remarkable track record in making the student employable and placing them in a reputed organization nationwide. During its more than a decade of purposeful journey, this institute has produced good number of diploma scholars who are serving the nation to the fullest of their capability, bringing name and fame to the institute with the competent faculty and staff members and cooperative students, guardians. This institution is marching forward with more vigor and aspire to be one of the reputed technical institutions of India.